Hello friends, welcome to BB Creation. Today we are discuss how to work solar street lighting system. Solar street lighting system uses the photovoltaic technology to convert the sunlight into DC electricity through solar cells. The generated electricity can either be used directly during the day or may be stored in the batteries for use during night hours. Parts of a solar street lighting system. The solar street lighting system comprises of solar photovoltaic module, battery box, lamp with charge controller, lamp post. Solar street lighting system is ideal for street lighting in remote villages. The system is provided with battery storage backup sufficient to operate the light for 10 to 11 hours daily. The system is provided with automatic on-off time switch for dusk to dawn operation and overcharge deep discharge prevention cutoff with LED indicators. The SPV modules are reported to have a service life of 15 to 20 years. Tubular batteries provided with the solar street lighting system require lower maintenance, have longer life and give better performance. Approximate cost. The approximate cost for the most common specification is around 24,000 rupees. It varies based on models. Advantages: no requirement of electricity, easy to install, simple to operate and low maintenance cost, eco-friendly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more updates.